Hey, today, this video is going to be about some clothes set, shelf, and drawers. Okay, it got 2 drawers at the bottom and it got 2 shelves. And these are for my kids' room. I brought it off of Amazon for, I don't know, I dropped the price at the bottom or somewhere in the video. Okay, I brought these shelves so they can put their dirty clothes in and they can keep their stuff organized. Okay, so we're going to get it set up. They're going to start setting it up. And I brought 2 of them. I brought one for the girls' room and I brought one for the boys' room. So do y'all want to start setting it up?
Yeah. No.
And me and Tal's going to help picking up
Can
the
y'all
trash.
turn the box like sideways so I can get a picture of the box? Trina, hold up the box. Turn it out.
Sideways.
Sideways.
Me and Tal.
Turn the other way.
Hopefully pick
Right
up the
there.
trash.
Can you come a little bit closer?
I'm not. You're not. I'm not.
Okay, right there.
Somebody lap dancing?
Jenner.
Fortnite?
Okay. So while they're opening the boxes,
Oh, what are you going to do for? Don't touch that. Put that back.
yeah, because remember I was telling y'all we repainted all the rooms, the kids' rooms, we repainted them, and so I bought them new furniture and stuff for their rooms.
It wouldn't come out perfectly.
And I will be doing a room tour when we finish fixing it up and everything.
I'm a freaking glue at it. You can take glue too. I hit the camera.
Y'all gonna do?
This should be easy. This is Mark Jr. right? It came out small.
It's supposed to be small. It's not supposed to be huge.
Not like really huge, but not like really small though. It would be middle size. This one. So watch this one here.
Jenner's like, I'm going to go on without you. Jenner, man, how much is
Here we
it?
go back, audience. Oh, okay. It's Christmas all over again. Not really. It is.
I wish I had a Christmas present.
Jenny, will you stop in the camera?
Sorry, camera. Okay.
Like seriously.
Okay. How'd you get that on there?
Jenner,
Pop it on there.
It doesn't pop on. Push it. Push what? Push me over.
Jenner,
Oh, does it go on the side?
Yeah.
Ah, that's stupid.
Turn it the other way. Like flip it around and then pop it on there.
Could be whatever way she wants. Same way. She's doing it a different way. I'm doing it different. Ow. We're both different ways. Another one.
Why didn't you start at the bottom, Jenny? That don't make no sense.
Because I'm different.
She's different.
Don't judge me.
She got it.
See, didn't I say
Yeah.
all different?
She got a different head.
Always say difference between us?
I don't know. Why they start saying different? Well, why not?
Trinity, do the
Maybe
bottom
it's
one first.
What?
Do the bottom one.
But it's standing already.
But it's standing already.
You put that on backwards.
Then like, I don't care, I'm almost done.
Junior, take it off. That's wrong.
Yes.
I'll pop
Yeah.
Look on the top.
Look at
You
the
want to
tip.
say?
The
Oh.
tap.
That's what you get.
I didn't even see the tag. Get out, editor. Oh, wait, you're not. Get out of person.
Got it.
Get out of here.
The weird person in the background. Stop! Haha, sucker.
And then he came and passed you. Ah, I'm gonna leave, sucker. And then got in at the same time.
Oh my god. What?
Okay, basically, so only thing they do is just clip on.
That thing not got to do with screws.
They just clip on, so it's easy to set up. Junior, yours don't look straight. Why yours don't look straight? What's yours, Lena? What's wrong with the leg?
There's nothing strong with it.
Oh,
Yes, it is. It is.
I don't know. It's just not balanced.
Why?
because you did wrong.
Something got to be crooked.
I win.
It wasn't a race.
Yeah, huh? You said at the beginning who's going for the faster, and I won.
Yeah, I was joking.
You was not joking.
If you would have won, you wasn't joking. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. It comes with two baskets at the bottom.
Eat that. They stuck on the sticker. What's this?
As
That's what
soon
I
as Rich is finished with his, we're going to show you how they look after they finish.
It's so tiny
Okay,
and cute.
drink 'em, look.
Oh, look, trust me.
Cut the camera, cut
Trina, can you turn it so they can see it?
Yeah.
Put it out. So it's like a cute little stand. Scoot it back. It's like a little cute stand that they can put their stuff in. Trina, can you?
Huh.
Why are you humming up?
Look.
And it got two drawers at the bottom. Well, two baskets. I'm going to say two baskets at the bottom. It got two baskets at the bottom.
Put three in there. You put this in.
And it's going to make the room a lot neater. And hopefully they keep their room clean. Because now they got organizers to keep it, help them keep their room clean. Right, Katrina?
Wow.
So,
She actually said you except for Junior. Man, fuck
because,
y'all room never clean. I mean, y'all room's always clean.
yeah, y'all room
Not me
clean.
and Miley's.
Okay, so if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom. Bye.